calls the matter of Seburg versus Seburg, case number 2021-5551-BO. If the plaintiff could please state their name for the record.
Risa K. Seburg.
Good morning. Today's date and time set for a hearing due to the pandemic decisions of the Supreme Court and the Chief Judge. This matter is being done by remote technology. The contents of this video may be the official record of a proceeding of the state of Michigan's 9th Judicial Circuit. Unauthorized duplication, distribution, alteration of said content is strictly prohibited. Today's date and time set for a pro-con that was properly noticed out. Ms. Seburg, I'll have you raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Please state your full name, spelling your first and last name for the record.
Risa K. Seburg. RECAKAYSEBURG.
Good. Thank you very much. Good morning. Today is the date and time set for hearing you file the summons and complaint. Your husband never answered it and he was defaulted. Is he aware of the divorce proceeding?
I'm not sure.
Okay. I just didn't know when the last time you had contact with him was, but okay, well, he was properly noticed. He did not answer the complaint. He was defaulted. He could be here if he chose to be here. If anyone pops up in the Zoom waiting room, we will let them in. Ma'am, you filed a complaint for divorce on or about April 19th, 2021. Is that correct?
That is correct.
At the time you filed that, have you lived in the state of Michigan for 180 days in Kalamazoo County for at least 10 days?
Yes, sir.
You were married on or about April 15th, 2017 to Jeffrey David Seburg. Is that correct?
Correct.
You stopped living together as husband and wife on or about February 1st, 2020. Is that correct?
Correct.
At the time of the filing, you claimed there was a breakdown of the marriage relationship. Was that true then?
Yes.
Is that true today?
Yes.
Could you briefly, in a sentence or less, tell me what caused the breakdown of the marriage relationship?
He hit me.
Okay. Based on his behaviors, has the matrimonial nature of your marriage been forever destroyed?
Pardon me, sir?
Based on his behaviors, has the matrimonial nature of your relationship been forever destroyed?
Yes.
Do you have any children that were born or adopted since the marriage?
No.
Are you currently pregnant?
No, sir.
Going through your judgment of divorce, you're asking your prior surname of Phillips be restored?
Yes.
Neither party is asking for spousal support, and you understand that's forever barred?
I do.
You did not have the boxes checked for not granted for wife and husband. I marked the boxes wife and husband so that it's not granted for anyone. You okay with that?
Yes.
There's no real property to be divided, correct?
Correct.
And each of you will get the property in your possession and be responsible for any debts related to that property, correct?
Correct.
Neither of you will have any rights and insurances or pensions, correct?
Correct.
And you believe this resolves all matters with regards to this marriage?
Yes.
In its entirety, do you believe this agreement or what you're asking for is fair and equitable to both parties?
Yes, sir.
Anything else you want the court to be made aware of?
No.
Okay. For the record, Mr. Seburg did not appear, but looking at this judgment of divorce, this is a very basic or standard judgment of divorce, especially for a marriage of only 4 years. I do believe it's fair and equitable to both parties. Based on the testimony, the court finds there has been a breakdown of the marriage relationship to the extent that the objects of matrimony have been destroyed, and there remains no reasonable likelihood the marriage can be preserved. I've signed the judgment of divorce. We'll get it out to both of your last known addresses with the court. Any questions, Ms. Phillips?
No, sir.